What's up, everybody? So today we are going to go do another car buy because the Mustang that you saw, well, it didn't go so well. But that's okay. We're going to put a motor in it. It'll be fine. But I do need a daily at the moment. We'll talk about the Integra later. But I do need a daily. I was originally going to go buy another Mustang because, you know, I want to fix mine and drive it. But ever since I bought that one, I've been listening to my gut, because when I was going to buy it, in the back of my mind was just like, don't buy this, and then I was just like, that's stupid. We're going to listen to our gut today, and go buy something that's reasonable, so you'll see. Let's go. Alright, 5 minutes away. I'm super excited to see this car. Okay, so we just got here. He sent us to Walmart, which I think he might have sent us the wrong address, but he's not picking up, so I'm hoping that we get to see this car today and didn't waste a trip all the way out here. But on the bright side of everything, while we're waiting, we happen to pull up on something that we really want to do this build one day, just because of the sheer fun factor. It's something we've always wanted to do, so I'm going to show you right now what it is. It is the Geo Metro. This is something we want to build so bad.
This is it here, guys. Civic hatch. These things are awesome. We're gonna go take your first spin right now. Alright, so we are currently test driving it right now. Dakota, your thoughts?
97 Civic CX hatchback, and I mean, I like it. It has all new suspension and everything like that. Just the only thing that's kind of worrying me is that it has a little bit of a wiring issue. But it's got, you know, all new suspension and everything like that, new radiator, but we're going to keep test driving it and see how it drives. Okay guys, so we were able to pick up the Civic, and as you see, let me just start it up for you guys. Unlike the other car, the Mustang, it runs great. It's a single cam D-series, but you know what? I need a daily, and this has it. It's got AC. I need to fix a blower motor, but I mean, it still blows a little bit. It has a stereo, I have my Bluetooth thing. It just needs a little bit of cosmetic stuff, but you know what? That's okay, because I'm really happy with it. I think we did a really good thing here. So we're going to go ahead and head home now. I'll see you all when we get there, and I'll show you some more pictures of it. Alright guys, the Civic made it home. I am super happy with this car. It's so cool because literally like everything that's like kind of wrong with the car, I say something about it and it works. So when I was testing it out, at first when we first were there, the blinkers didn't work. So I was just like, damn, the blinkers don't work. And when I'm driving it out of the block, they start working, so I was like, oh, cool. And I noticed the speedo isn't working, so I was like, darn, the speedo is not working either. And then, like, halfway through the trip home, it just, woo, like, up at the speed we were at, so everything's working pretty well in this car. Notice that if you lock the car from the inside, you can't get out. So you have to go through the passenger side, so I gotta fix that. But other than that, things are looking great in this car. We're gonna take it around the block. D15, baby. We're gonna see how this thing pulls. Pull number 1. Yeah, 40 miles an hour. Alright, this is pull number 2.
Second gear pull.
I just gotta lock it real quick. Okay. Okay, power locks, baby. Of course you all know. High tail light. Hi. So we just got done washing it, and this is just a quick wash, and I gotta say, like, I liked the car before, but now I just love how it looks. Like, it's still in really good, the paint's in honestly really good condition still. The hood has been repainted, I mean, you can kind of tell, but other than that, I think the rest of the car is fine. And I'm over here thinking the clear coat is peeling, but I think what it is just faded from the sun. So what I'm gonna try to do, besides bumpers obviously, I'm honestly gonna try to save the paint. I mean, I know how to use to detail for like 4 years, so I'm gonna try to just one panel at a time, starting on the hood since it's not that good. Wet sand, buff and paint it, see how it comes out. I mean, definitely the headlights first, of course, too. And I'm pretty sure some of you guys, obviously some of you guys watch him, but one of my favorite YouTubers, Evan Shanks, he picked up an EK coupe, and you know, he saved the paint on that one and it looks great. So that's what I'm gonna try to replicate here. That'd be really cool. So just Civics are fun, and I'm hoping this one's gonna be a good one for a long time. But I think I'm gonna go get some dinner and then I'll show you guys some night shots of this. Alright guys, so I wanted to wait till it got dark because I wanted to bring it to like my favorite spot to do little car stuff and then photo shoots and stuff. If you look at my Instagram and stuff, you know this is my favorite spot for some reason. I don't know, but did a quick wash and it's nighttime, and now looking at the car, it looks so good, guys. Alright, so showing off the car right now. Like I said earlier, after just a quick wash, it looks really good. The paint is in very good condition. Obviously the hood's been repainted, you can tell in this light, but it's okay. I'll get that fixed later on. It has the SI wheels on it. Everything's in great condition with this car, honestly. Besides, I gotta fix a little things, but that's okay. We got this Civic for 2,200 bucks, and that is really good. I'm really happy with the car. I mean, relatively all stock, but I didn't get to show you guys. Check this out. So, I have, I believe, upper and lower control arms. Still pretty new to the whole Honda stuff, so forgive me if I'm wrong, but I'll put it on the lift soon so I can dive in and see exactly what's done to it. But other than that, stock D series, it's okay. It'll be fun for now. I think, yeah, I have a lip on it too. So this car just looks so nice, and I'm really happy with this purchase, and it's so cool to me. So again, guys, really happy that we could bring home this awesome Civic. I've always wanted a hatch. Well, I've always wanted an EK hatch. I've had an EG before, but it was a $900 EG hatch, and it drove and performed exactly like a $900 EG hatch does. But this one is a great car, and then I didn't plan on buying this, honestly, but when the Mustang blew up, I didn't really have a choice, so this is my new daily driver. As you know, with the trash staying, we are going to be sourcing a motor for it very soon, putting it in, and that will be back on the streets very soon. I mean, at first I was done with it. I didn't want to do anything with it anymore after the motor blew, but you know what? You got to take every opportunity you can get and turn it positive, so we're going to put a motor in it. We're going to do that whole V8 stuff because we've done the motor swap on the Honda, but I've never done a V8 motor swap, so that'll be fun for us, and then you'll see the restoration on this. Hopefully it'll look very good soon. Still keeping it as a daily for now, but you know how that goes, but we'll see. So, thank you all so much for watching. If you want to see some more cool content like this, and then follow the build on our Civic and on our Mustang and Matt's Q50, do us a favor and go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And if you like this video, a like very much does help us out, so we'll see you all in the next one.